Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your YouTube account from another devices. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open YouTube and click on top right corner your profile icon. After that, you have to click on this Google accounts. Here you can see you have to click on this Google accounts. After that, you have to click on the security icon. Here you can see you have to click on the security button at the top. You have to click on this. After that, you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this your devices. Now here you can see my all devices. After that, you have to click on this manage all devices. When you click on this, now here you can see my all. Here you can see my all devices where this my YouTube channel is logged in. To remove any device, you have to click on any device. For example, this device, you have to click on this devices. After that, you have to click on this. After that, you have to click on this sign out. You have to click on this sign out. After that, you have to click on this again sign out. In this way, you can remove your YouTube channel from another devices. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and see you in the next interesting video.